Welcome to video number 7. Let's talk about how to find the surface area of a cylinder. So the surface area is the area of all of the surfaces, and you can see right away that we have a circle on the top and a circle on the bottom. So to find the area of a circle, the formula is pi r squared. So that's what I have here, pi r squared. Okay, and radius is 5. But because there's 2 circles, I'm going to multiply that by 2. So that's how I'm getting the 157.08. Okay, now, the other surface we have to talk about is this lateral surface. So think about if you had a water bottle, and you know how you have that wrapping around the water bottle, it's kind of like a tag on it to kind of show you what brand it is. Imagine if you cut the piece of paper down the side, okay? If you actually have a water bottle, you can actually try this, right? So cut the piece of paper down the side. If you unraveled the piece of paper, it would actually look like a rectangle. It would unravel like this. So really, all we have to do is find the area of this rectangle and we're good to go. Now, the area of a rectangle is base times height. The height of the rectangle we can see is 7 units long, this number right here, okay? Now, the length is actually this distance, right? If I unravel that, that would be this distance. This is really the circumference of the circle. So when I am calculating the area of this rectangle, this width, if you will, used to be wrapped around the circle. This is actually the circumference of the circle. So what I'm going to do is take the 7, right, times the circumference, because that is actually the width. Circumference is 2 pi times radius, and that's how I'm getting the 219.91. So the tricky part about the cylinder is understanding that that lateral part of the cylinder unwraps to a rectangle, and the rectangle is base times height or length times width. And this width is the circumference of the circle. Adding these numbers together gets me 376.99 or 377 miles squared. Again, I don't care how you round, okay? So that is the key thing about the cylinder that people usually forget. Unwrapping this lateral part gives me a rectangle.